Meal preparation is easier and more enjoyable with the right tools, and slow cookers have long been a staple for busy households. They offer convenience, versatility, and the ability to turn simple ingredients into delicious, flavorful dishes with little effort. In 2025, slow cookers have gotten even better, with features like precise temperature control, app connectivity, and multifunctionality. I've listed the 5 best slow cookers of 2025 to help you find the one that suits your needs. From key features to things to consider, this video covers everything you need to know. Links to find the best prices for all the products mentioned are in the description below, so be sure to check those out. Let's get started. Number 5. Crock-Pot Slow Cooker. This slow cooker takes cooking convenience to a new level with its unique dual-pot system. This innovative design allows users to cook 2 recipes simultaneously, each with independent temperature and cooking controls, making it ideal for diverse meals or entertaining. With a total capacity of 8 quarts, divided between 2 3.7-quart nonstick pots, this cooker is perfect for feeding families or hosting. Its dual-sync technology ensures that both dishes finish cooking at the same time, eliminating the guesswork. The multi-cooker functionality replaces over 30 kitchen tools, including steamers, sauté pans, and Dutch ovens, offering unparalleled versatility. The ceramic-coated pots are non-stick and easy to clean, while the bake function provides added utility, offering temperatures of 300 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit for baking bread, desserts, and more. Dishwasher-safe lids and accessories make cleanup a breeze, adding to its user-friendly design. For those looking to simplify meal prep without compromising variety, this slow cooker is a game-changer. It's a perfect choice for families or hosts who want to serve multiple dishes with ease. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker. This slow cooker excels in precision and reliability, making it the top choice for exact cooking. Its patented temperature probe allows users to cook large cuts of meat to a precise temperature, displaying the exact temperature on the control panel as it cooks. This 6-quart cooker is designed for convenience, with a clip-tight gasket lid that ensures secure transport, making it ideal for potlucks and tailgating. The spacious capacity fits a 6-pound chicken or a 4-pound roast, catering perfectly to family meals or small gatherings. Smart technology allows users to program the cooker by temperature or cooking time, and it automatically switches to warm once cooking is complete. Cleanup is effortless with the removable and dishwasher-safe crock and glass lid. The power interrupt protection feature is a thoughtful addition, ensuring cooking continues seamlessly after a brief power outage. This slow cooker is perfect for those who value precision and portability, offering both versatility and reliability in one efficient appliance. Number 3. GreenLife Slow Cooker. For those seeking a healthier cooking option with compact efficiency, this slow cooker is a standout choice. This 6-quart cooker is perfect for family meals and features a healthy ceramic nonstick interior derived from sand, free of toxins like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Its stovetop-ready pot offers unmatched versatility, allowing users to sear on the stovetop and then switch to slow cooking for rich, flavorful results. The intuitive control panel includes a delay timer, 3 cooking modes, and a keep warm function, making it perfect for both planned and spontaneous cooking. This slow cooker is designed for convenience with a lightweight and easy-to-clean ceramic pot. It's also dishwasher-safe, reducing post-cooking cleanup time. Programmable for up to 10 hours, with cooking times ranging from 30 minutes to 20 hours, this cooker adapts to your schedule effortlessly. Its toxin-free materials and family-friendly size make it an excellent choice for health-conscious home cooks. Number 2. Ninja MC1001. This is a powerhouse when it comes to feeding large crowds, making it the best choice for gatherings and entertaining. With an 8.5-quart capacity, it can prepare meals for up to 20 people or create enough pulled pork for 30 sliders in one go. Its triple fusion heat technology ensures even and fast cooking by combining bottom, side, and steam heat, perfect for time-sensitive meal prep. This appliance offers an impressive 8 cooking functions, including slow cook, sear sauté, steam, keep warm, sous vide, braise, bake, and proof, replacing 14 different kitchen tools. Its oven-safe cooking pot, which can withstand temperatures up to 500 Fahrenheit, is ideal for achieving crispy finishes or finishing dishes in the oven. A standout feature is its ability to sear and sauté directly in the pot, eliminating the need for transferring food between stovetop and cooker. This not only saves time but also locks in flavors. The included multifunctional utensil is a thoughtful addition, and its dedicated rest on the lid handle adds convenience. This is a must-have for those who frequently host gatherings or prefer cooking large portions in one go. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo. This is the epitome of versatility, earning its place as the best overall multi-cooker. Its 7-in-1 functionality combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, yogurt making, steaming, sautéing, and food warming into a single appliance. This makes it an indispensable tool for busy families or anyone looking to simplify their kitchen. Its 13 customizable smart programs allow for effortless preparation of a wide array of dishes, from tender ribs to creamy yogurt. This is designed for speed and efficiency, cooking meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods, while still offering the option to slow cook for that nostalgic, home-cooked flavor. Cleanup is a breeze with its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel exterior and dishwasher-safe components, including the lid and inner pot. Safety is also a priority, with over 10 safety features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid. With a 5.68-liter capacity, this pot is perfect for families of up to 6 or for meal prepping. Plus, the free Instant Brands Connect app offers a treasure trove of recipes to keep your meals exciting. The durable, food-grade stainless steel pot with a tri-ply bottom ensures even cooking and is ideal for sautéing. For those looking for a versatile, reliable, and family-friendly appliance, this stands out. That wraps up our list of the best slow cookers of 2025. Whether you're whipping up hearty stews, tender roasts, or comforting soups, these slow cookers are sure to elevate your culinary game. Ready to snag your favorite? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow food enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Stay tuned for more top picks, reviews, and tips to make your life easier and more delicious.